Hi, my name is Richa Srivastav and I welcome you in Lighthouse Alchemy, the in-house training academy of Lighthouse Infosystem Private Limited. We often get asked where I can learn about Lighthouse ERP. Well, this is the place. Whether you are a student, professional, or someone is curious to know about how Lighthouse ERP works, this channel is created just for you. Here, you will learn the fundamentals of ERP and get a clear, beginner-friendly introduction of our all-in-one solution Lighthouse ERP. With over 38 years of ERP expertise, we have built a system that transforms your business operations across industries like steel, FMCG, textile, ethanol. You name the industry, we have the solution. From finance to HR, inventory to CRM, Lighthouse ERP has it all in one powerful and easy to use platform. So, waiting for what? Subscribe now and get your ERP journey started with us. Thank you so much.